it is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team project for the scrap room, and I am using the 49 Market Artful Moments, and I know this collection is super anticipated, so I cannot wait to see what everybody is going to make with it. So for the flavors of the month, I guess I'm going to start with cardstock. So we get 2 pieces of basil white cardstock. And then for the papers, we get starter paper number 6, which has got some khaki. This almost looks like a gel print to me. And then we've got a starburst on this side with some faux stitching. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a mixed media background. It's got some gold. It's got some, I would call it like stamping text. That's going to be a hard one. It's going to be a hard one to decide which side we're doing. This is starter paper number 5. We've got greens and blues and text and polka dots. Again, could totally be a Vicky Bouton gel print. On the opposite side, we've got that same khaki kind of gel print. Yep. This one seems a tad darker, but not really. So that is the back side. And then this one is starter paper number 8. So you have all of these tags in rainbow order. And then we've got like a rainbow grid paper with a little bit of text in there as well. And then for the embellishments, we get an assortment of the journaling bits and icons and title, ephemera, and chipboard. So this is going to vary, but I already kind of pulled mine out. So we've got a notebook paper with color swatches, chipboard that says color. This is not a chipboard piece, but it is thick. That says Indian ink. This piece says being creative. We've got a butterfly and a floral. Another notebook piece in green. We've got a pencil, today documented. Got this little tag and this little ticket. We've got a binder clip. I've got a little mason jar with water. This says doing what I love. It's kind of like a paint squirt there. We've got another butterfly. This is like, what do you call it? Like a prize ribbon, but this totally looks like a flower. So cute. We've got an arrow. We've got a heart. Got another ticket. We'll put that over there with that one. We've got, oh, perfect. Look, I guess it would go this way. Do the paint and the paint coming out. Look how cute that is. We've got a journaling bit. We've got, this is chipboard. This is Moments. This is chipboard. It's a star, die cut of a leaf. And then chipboard that says Little Bit of Love. Oh, and I got a banner over here hiding. So we're going to add that in. So that is what I got for my flavors of the month. And then I also have the pattern paper kit and the embellishment kit. So let me pull those out for you. So for the pattern paper kit, we've got starter paper number 2. It's like different shades of pink. And then this side has got a rainbow stripe. Love this branding strip. And then this one is starter paper number 9. Look at all of the purples. How pretty is that? And then we've got another rainbow on this side. So you can have a rainbow coming down, you can have a rainbow going to either side, or a rainbow going up. So many options with that. And then for the embellishment, we get a 1/4 of the pack of the laser cuts. So these are the ones I got. I'm going to put it on my white cardstock here. so you can kind of see what I got. This says so much fun and sewing. The details, I love this currently. A couple of butterflies, circular bits, stars, hearts, tags. I've got these paint brushes and it says this smile, hello, and today. I do feel like all of those could totally go together. I think it would be really fun to actually see if we have this colors in our stash in some sort of ink or paint or something and just continue it out. So we'll have to wait and see what I decide to do from there. I am going to start with the sketch for this month as my design team project. So that being said, the sketch does not fit into this, so that will be another project to come. So that is what we get. I am going to pause and we'll find a photo and we'll get started with the sketch. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this came together super quick. So I'm using the sketch for this month, and I knew I was going to have trouble deciding on this mixed media background and this amazing starburst page. And ultimately I decided I could kind of make something a little close to the mixed media, but the starburst, it's a little harder. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this. So I cut the branding strip off, and I'm going to use the branding strip up at the top where you see that branding strip line. And then the photo is a 4x6 with a matte, or it appears. I'm going to matte mine in some black cardstock. And then it calls for 2 chunks of paper. So I'm going to use this one as kind of that big chunk that you see that's plaid. And then I figure I don't really need the second one because I already have kind of a lot of interest going on. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that there. And then I'm trying to decide, do I want my photo on the top, on the bottom? I will go off screen. Oh, I think I was going to go off screen and then decided not to. I'm going to rough up the edges of all of the bits, including the photo mat. And then I'm going to decide that I need a little more black. So there is some like fake black stitching on here, and there are little bits of black, and I like that my photo pops, but I just felt like it needed something else. So I tried this ephemera piece with all the paint swatches. Sorry, there was must have been a little bug or something that I was trying to get, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and take those 2 pieces and I'm going to matte them in black just to give it a little extra. I did contemplate also matting the whole layout in black, but actually I felt like that was too much. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to trim this down, and it's a very thin black border that I'm going to use, and I am going to rough up the edges of it as well, so we get that texture going on in both sections. And then here is this piece, and it's going to get matted in black, and then I can start doing some embellishing. So this photo is of one of the waterfalls we went to in Hawaii. So when we did our road to Hana, the parking lot was very full for this one, and so we bypassed it, but my husband had to go home early to put on a charity golf tournament. And so the kids and I were there for another couple days. So we decided to go back and just try and hit this waterfall. We didn't go anywhere else. I mean, that we missed. Like, we missed the black sand beach, but you have to get a time for that, and that there just wasn't going to be time. So, but we did get to go to this waterfall, and this hike actually has 2 waterfalls. So, I will find the names of that when I go to do my journaling. And yeah, so you can just see how I just feel like that little pop of black helps in different areas. And my title is going to be from the chipboard pieces that I have that says "Little Bit of Love." I'm going to put that down on the bottom. I'm going to put mine on the opposite side of where it shows in the sketch. And then it calls for an embellishment cluster on the top right of the photo. So I am working on that with, I've got a star there and a floral there currently. There was one die cut piece that says "Today Documented." I thought that was cute. I put that up at the top. I decided to add an arrow to kind of point at the waterfall. Not that you can't see it, but I am. And then I grabbed a butterfly and put it up there at the top. And it calls for an embellishment cluster down here. And there's a bunch of circles. So I decided to grab the laser cuts from the embellishment kit. And I take 2 of those circles and go ahead and put them where you see in the sketch. It does call by your journaling for another circle bit, so I decided to pop one out, but I decided not to use that at all. And then this last little word sticker says "Love This." So I got that there. I also had a purple heart, so I had added that. And so instead of the star, I decided to take a laser cut heart, and it's going to take me grabbing several to decide on this kind of craft colored one. So that's going to go over there as well. That would have been a pretty good place to actually do some journaling, but we'll see. We'll see where I decide to do the journaling when I'm done. So that is going to do it for this layout. I hope that you enjoyed this process video, and I hope you play along with the sketch. I will have links down below for the scrap room, so you can get your hands on these kits and head over to the Facebook group and play along with the sketch as well. But that is going to do it for me today. So remember to wear your crown, and I will see you next time. Bye.